will school staff tell the police that I'm a gypsy or traveller?
Yeah. So schools often do share information with the police, unfortunately. So yeah, it's likely that they're going to give that information to the police. There may be like particular partnerships within the school. So if there are officers within that school, then there's something known as a Safer Schools partnership. So if there's an officer, they're called Safer School police officers that are based within that school particularly, there's an agreement that the police have with that school or a number of different schools about the different types of powers that those officers can have within the schools. Now, that varies from school to school, so it can be very different. And it could be vague. Some of the agreements can be very specific about setting out the powers of those officers within the school, others not so much. It is supposed to be a public document, so if that is something that you're worried about, and if some of your children are in schools and they're saying that, you know, we've got these police officers in schools, we're worried, we don't feel safe, I mean, our position, absolutely, at Hodge Jones and Adams, we don't feel that police should be in schools. I personally, and our youth team, we don't think it's right, and we don't feel that it caters towards members of the gypsy Roman traveller community, particularly because there's a lot of distrust against the police for good reason, and it makes children not feel safe. So our position is police shouldn't be in schools. We are trying to do different pieces of work around that, but that's absolutely our position. But unfortunately, they are there sometimes. So if you're a parent and you're worried about police being in your child's schools and what they can or can't do, go to your school's website and see if you can try to find a copy of this agreement. And if not, then email the school and ask for a copy of it, because that will give you more information about what those officers can do in schools, in that particular school, and what their powers are.